Hi friends, this is Venkat. Okay, in last video we have noticed that how to install IIS installation, web server installation on secondary site server. Okay, in this video we will see how to give the permissions for the primary server on the secondary site. Because the primary server, this primary server must have the admin rights on secondary site, so because it need to send so many data, or it will need to create the virtual directories, right? So that is the reason it's need the admin rights to create whatever it want. So that is the reason we need to give the admin rights for primary site on secondary site. To give that, just go to the computer management and go to local users and groups, click on groups and double click on administrators and just add here your primary server. Click on object types and just click computers. Yes, now see, type primary. Okay, now check names. Yeah, okay. So now whenever you are clicking apply, this primary computer must get the complete admin rights on the secondary site server. Click apply, click OK. That's all. This is very simple. Okay, and then the next prerequisite is we need to have a look on your Windows firewall. Just make sure that your Windows firewalls is enabled for the 1433 and 402280. Okay, and 445, and also your 135. Just make sure that all these are enabled or not. Actually, if you see here, it is group policy, managing by the group policy, because I have designed the group policy, created a simple group policy here on the domain controller. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you here group policy management. See here, I have created the one group policy and applied to the complete domain. So SQL 1433 and 4022 must be enabled, because right, 4022 and 1433 which are required for SQL and SQL broker services. Okay, so that is the reason this is very important. And WMI enabled must be enabled for TCP 135 and all. Okay. So here, since we have already applied the group policy, automatically it will apply to the secondary site server as well. Okay. So just make sure that your RPC server is enabled and it is working fine. If that is also very important, or else you will get the 6BA error in your disturb. You can check in disturbj.log. I will show you that also later on time. But if you want to make sure, go to Windows PowerShell or CMD, anything fine. WM test, just double click it. Okay. primary.lab.com. Okay, see, no issues. If RPC server is not available, then automatically it is unable to connect the WMI of this server, which is primary server. Okay, but here from we are trying to connect from secondary site server to primary server, so that means the communication is available from secondary to primary. Okay, so there is no issues, no WMI issues. Also, there is also one more confirmations. Okay, if you want you can check the classes also, but we will discuss about the WMI separate video. For now this is enough. Okay, see, we have installed the IIS and we added the primary server to give the admin rights on secondary side server, right? So, and also we have checked the Windows firewall, which is enabled with the required ports. So all good. If you want to check that, you can do one more test, which is called telnet. Okay, so I don't think that I have installed the telnet, but if you want you can install it and you just do the telnet client telnet test for 1433 and 4022 to check that the ports are enabled or not. Okay, so for now the prerequisite is also done. Okay, what are the requirements are there, that is we have completed. So the next step is we need to install the secondary side server. Okay, we will see that how to install the secondary side server from Sccm console. Thank you very much for the watching. We'll see next video.